Today, I want to show you how easy it is to cook barbecue and impress your hardest critics. So we're going to start out with a whole shoulder. Now this consists of the butt, which actually does not come from the butt, it comes from the shoulder. And it also has the picnic, which is right up here. Now I'm not a big fan of the picnic by itself, but as a whole, these things here are great. Now the recipe today is going to be kind of like if Tennessee met Texas and then met Carolina and they just had a barbecue throwdown. And it's going to be good, I guarantee it. Now, we're not going to do much trimming. Just find any loose pieces, get them off, and any excess fat you don't want. If you don't want to trim, don't trim. I'm not going to stop you. But for the backside, we're going to do a little work, and that's just to get off this extra layer of skin right here. It's not going to do you any good on here. It's just a barrier between your meat and your rub. You know, kind of like mustard. Just a barrier. We're just going to peel it off. We've been doing a lot of skinning here lately, so I have nothing besides skinning the cat, so I just won't come up with nothing. Now save that piece. You can practice your tattoo, whatever you want to do on it. And as far as the fat cap goes, leave it. Take it all off. Or just get it down to about a 1/4 inch like me. It's really not that big of a deal. You just do you. This is your cook. So once we get that where you like it, I like it like this, we're going to rub it down. And this is kind of like where Texas and Tennessee meet. We're going to do equal parts pepper, salt, and your favorite barbecue rub. I shouldn't have to tell you what mine is. Just get that all shook up. And you know how to do this. We just want to put a good heavy dose all over this shoulder. Because if you remember, we didn't inject. So the only flavor you're going to have that's not pork is going to be on the outside of this meat. So go heavy. It's not going to hurt anything. Make sure you get your sides. Make sure you get that money muscle. Because you want to have all the flavor you can to get put back in this meat. Alrighty. That's it. This is the part where, oh yeah, I forgot about that part. Never mind about the tattoo practice. Let's put a little rub on it and put it on the grill. Oh, and the knee bone. We almost forgot the knee bone. And put it on a wire rack. That'll make it a little easier to get on and off. Now this is the point where we're going to go on the grill. Cook it on what you want to. Cook it on an open pit, stick burner, your oven. But Mother Nature told me I'm going to have to cook it on the pellet grill inside. So if you cook inside, make sure ventilation is good. So you've seen me put it on the grill. That's what I did. That's it. Now we got to make up a sauce. We're going to use it for a baste and a sauce for the meat. We're going to start out with 3 cups of white vinegar. I think this is a 1/3 cup just white sugar, not brown sugar. It's white, see? A teaspoon and a half of pepper. Do a teaspoon of cayenne. And about 3/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. And this is where Tennessee meets Carolina. We're going to use a tablespoon of your favorite barbecue rub. Then add in 1, 2, 3, 4 slices of lemon. That's it. Let's give her a good little shake. And back here in the back, this dude has got his sous vide set up. We're running water at 165 degrees. Let's just set that baby in there. Let them flavors melt, whatever, infuse together until we get ready to put it on the shoulder. Now here we are at 4 hours in. As you can see, this bark's got hard, a little dry. This is right where that vinegar is going to soak up in there. Oh, forgot to look at that little piece up there. That looks good. So all you got to do here, just give her a good coating. Put as much as you want. It's not going to hurt anything. And so, that's your 4 hours. We're going to close up this lid. And I'm going to come back at 6 hours. And here you have it. We're getting a little more color. Looking good. All I want to do is get a probe in it. That way we'll know when this thing's done. Give her a good little dose of vinegar sauce one more time. Then we're going to close the lid. And 10 hours later, this is what you got. Now this is some good looking barbecue. Now it's not going to win any appearance scores. Don't worry about it. We're going for flavor right here. You can see the bark, it's not tough. It's soft, but you know it's there. And just to let you know how tender it is, we're going to stick this probe down in there in 200 degrees. That's a good number for any big chunk of pork. And that's it. We got to let it rest now. You know, if you want to rest for 30 minutes or 4 hours, once again, it's your cook. And here we go. One more little thing just to show you it's done. We're going to pull out that bone. It come out clean. Feed it to your pet dinosaur. Then we're going to break this down into chunks. I like to chunk it up and get off any of that extra fat and membrane you don't want, or funny looking bones. There you go, little dinosaur. And then we're going to pull it. I like pulled pork, so I'm going to pull all this up. And now we're going to make it more Carolina like. We're going to chop it up. Get you some bark, get you some tubes, get you some of that shoulder meat. Just chop her up nice and fine. They like it that way, so we're going to be like them. And here comes that piece of skin we took off. I guess we can call this cracklings. Watch out, I forgot who makes cracklings, but I may take y'all's job. I ate that piece and put a smile on my face. Did y'all see that? Get it good mixed in. Clean off your dagger. Give her a good hearty dose of that awesome vinegar sauce. And mix her up. That's it. You've got good barbecue. Just to prove it to you. See? It'll make you dance. Now, how we going to serve this to our friends? It's up to you. I'm just going to give them a slice of Wonder Bread. I'm going to give them, let's say a 1/4 pound of soul meat. And that little chunk don't want to stay up there. Just a little more sauce. And to make mama proud, give them some vegetables. That completes the whole meal. So all we got to do now is finish this video, it's a video, not a video, off with a taste. So taco that baby up and cram her in your mouth. And this here, guys, in my opinion, is what barbecue should be like. Don't get me wrong, I like the sweet. But this here, that vinegar bite and the peppery notes, man, it's got everything I want. And I love it. So, that's where we're here at the end. So if you don't mind, hey, hit that subscribe button. I'd appreciate it. Give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Leave me a comment why you don't like it, why you do like it, or something we might cook later. Alrighty, guys. I'm out of here.